Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. XRP ETF odds increase further after this game-changing milestone highlighted by Ripple's Garlinghouse. Also, final sign-off on spot Ether ETFs expected imminently, listings next week, says source. Plus, Bitcoin bottom signal, German government runs out of BTC to sell. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We have a quick request that doesn't cost anything in order to help. Help us grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers by September, which would be our channel's 1-year anniversary. All we ask is that you click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. By clicking on these, it does help grow the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, XRP ETF odds increase further after this game-changing milestone highlighted by Ripple's Garlinghouse. Traditional futures powerhouse Chicago Mercantile Group has announced the debut of real-time indices and reference rates for Ripple's XRP, a move that CEO Brad Garlinghouse said could boost institutional adoption of the 8th largest crypto. CME Group introduces XRP reference rates. CME Group and CF Benchmarks have revealed plans to launch new reference rates and real-time indices for Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency. XRP's addition signifies a strong demand for a reliable price feed among institutional investors. Besides XRP, CME Group also introduced these products for Internet Computer, or ICP. The new benchmarks will provide transparent pricing data to enable market participants to value their portfolios accurately. With 24 cryptocurrencies in our suite of CME, CF references rates, and real-time indices, we will provide pricing data across more than 93% of the investable cryptocurrency market capitalization, helping clients everywhere to better manage their risk, said CME Group Global Head of Cryptocurrency Products, Giovanni Vicioso. The real-time indices for XRP and ICP will be updated every second based on order book activity on leading digital asset trading platforms, including Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, and Bitstamp. The daily US dollar price of each digital asset will be provided at 4 p.m. UTC. Notably, these reference rates and indices are not tradable futures products. Is an XRP ETF coming soon? Reacting to the news of new XRP reference rates and real-time indices, Ripple chief Brad Garlinghouse suggested this is the first step towards institutional crypto products. He further acknowledged the work put in by both CME Group and the CF Benchmarks towards launching the XRP index, adding that the market has spoken. Meanwhile, speculations about a U.S.-listed XRP exchange-traded fund are still ongoing. Highly regulated crypto ETFs are quite significant because they provide traditional institutional investors with exposure to cryptocurrencies without needing them to hold these assets directly. Garlinghouse previously asserted that an XRP ETF was inevitable. The Ripple boss also voiced optimism that the crypto market was headed toward a $5 trillion valuation owing to the recent approvals of spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs in the United States. Experts have noted that the approval of an XRP-based ETF is greatly dependent on its presence in a prominent derivative exchange such as CME. This makes the latest development a notable milestone for XRP in its journey towards securing a spot ETF. XRP was trading for 46.86 cents at publication time, representing a 5.3% gain on the day. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, final sign-off on spot Ether ETFs expected imminently, listings next week, says source. Spot ETF issuers expect to receive final comments from regulators by early next week and possibly as soon as July 12th. Issuers of spot Ether exchange-traded funds expect to receive final approval from regulators imminently, according to an industry source familiar with the matter. This would set the stage for the ETFs to start listing as soon as next week. Spot ETF issuers expect to receive final comments from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission by early next week and possibly as soon as July 12th, according to the source, who declined to be identified because their discussions with issuers were private. Several issuers, including Van Eck and 21 Shares, filed amended registrations this week in hopes of receiving the SEC's final sign-off to begin listing spot Ether ETFs. In all, some 8 spot issuers are awaiting regulatory approval. Analysts expect that ETH ETFs could attract billions of dollars of inflows in the months after listing, potentially driving significant appreciation of Ether's spot price. According to crypto analyst Mark Dunleavy, ETH is less available on exchanges, meaning thinner order books and less to purchase, and thus its spot price will be even more responsive to buying demand from ETFs than BTCs. One significant source of demand is crypto-native hedge funds, which have self-custodied billions of dollars worth of spot ETH for years and are now reaching out to institutional market makers such as Virtue Financial to swap those holdings for ETF shares, according to the source. The source said upward of a dozen crypto-native funds with total assets under management exceeding $1 billion each have expressed interest in such an exchange. Once listed, the spot ETH ETFs will complement an existing slate of publicly traded crypto funds, including the approximately a dozen spot Bitcoin ETFs that began trading after receiving regulatory clearance in January. More than $50 billion worth of BTC is currently held by ETFs. Dunleavy predicts that ETH ETFs could attract up to $10 billion in inflows in the coming months. Spot Solana ETFs may soon join the ranks as well, with at least 2 that could begin trading early next year. Our next top headline: Bitcoin bottom signal, German government runs out of BTC to sell. Bitcoin's price could be on track to begin the reaccumulation phase as the German government is down to its last few thousand BTC. Bitcoin's price may have seen the local bottom as the German government is running out of Bitcoin to sell. Technical indicators point to the potential beginning of a reaccumulation phase. German government is nearly done selling Bitcoin. The German government's wallet is down to just 3,856 Bitcoin, only 3 weeks after it started selling. As a result, the additional $222 million worth of selling pressure has pulled BTC's price below $60,000 over the past week, but signs of a potential bottom are starting to emerge. In its latest transfers on July 12th, the wallet sent 800 BTC to Kraken Exchange, 500 BTC to wallet BC1Q, and another 1,000 BTC to wallet equals 139P. The wallet started selling Bitcoin in the middle of June after it held nearly 50,000 BTC since February 2024. The funds are believed to have been seized from the pirate movie website, operator Movie2K. Bottom may be in, but BTC's price needs to hold, $56,700. The end of the German government's Bitcoin selling could help Bitcoin find its local price bottom. For instance, technical analysis using the Wyckoff method points to a potential price bottom and a recovery above the $60,000 psychological mark, according to popular crypto analyst Mustache. The analyst wrote in a July 11th X post, "I think we will see BTC back above $60,000 very soon." Other indicators are also pointing to a local price bottom, including the Coinbase premium, according to crypto trader Marty Party, who shared the chart below in a July 11th X post. The Coinbase Premium measures the price differences between Bitcoin on Coinbase, largely used by United States investors and Binance. The premium signals U.S. demand for Bitcoin compared to the rest of the world. However, as Cointelegraph reported, Bitcoin's price needs to hold above the $56,750 mark to stop further bearish momentum. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.